name is Tammy, and I am part of La Chi Molala. You guys, we are here for a super fun unboxing. And what unboxing, you guys may ask? Well, this is a fan merch unboxing, and I am going to butcher Pink Cone's shop name. So please see below to follow her shop. If you guys follow our reaction videos, you know how terrible I am with names. So I don't want Pink Cones to kill me. But yeah, just look below. Follow her on Instagram and also follow her Twitter. Yes, I am still calling it Twitter, you guys. Follow her on Twitter as well. And I love following her on Twitter because she would post really fun MonstaZoo pictures of the guys. And if you are talking about what's MonstaZoo, oh my gosh, you guys are in for a treat. Okay, so I've learned of her work probably since she created it, which was last year. And I was like, man, this artwork is amazing. I love it. And I feel like it's reached all over Monbebe land because even some of my mutuals on Twitter, you know, I've seen liked it or retweeted it. And even asked before, like, oh, are you selling this at all? You know? So her work is just really fantastic, you guys. So please follow Pink Codes on Twitter. Like, it is a boost of serotonin. If you are having a bad day, like, I recommend you to look at her artwork. Her artwork is so much fun. She is super creative, and I am so thankful that she put this in a form of products here. Okay, so today I will be opening something really special. I'm not going to say what because I am going to leave that to you guys to see. But these are a few items from her shop. And as of this recording, there is a US Go. So go ahead and go straight to Cookie Monsta's trade. I apologize. I am very geriatric. And again, if you watch our videos, you know how geriatric I could get. But just see below and go straight to her Instagram and comment. Comment as soon as you can to see what products you would like, because there is a US Go for that. And if you happen to watch this video when the US Go is closed, I apologize. Hopefully, you guys could get a piece of this amazing items that I'm going to show you. You can order individually from Pink Codes. Just DM her and just figure out the logistics, you know. So, all right. Okay. So, enough talking for me. I am going to open this because I want to stun you guys on what I got. So, I apologize. It's already ripped like this because my personal information was on there, and you guys, please, you guys don't want to see my personal information. So, I when I first received this, I was like, wow, Pink Codes, you are very thorough on packaging, which I super appreciate. This is probably my first unboxing with bubble wrap on the outside, but it doesn't really bother me though. Though I don't know how this could bother anyone because it helps protect the package. So I am super grateful for that. Um, the last thing you want to see is that when you get a package and the stuff is destroyed inside, and we wouldn't want this to happen. So this came straight from Indonesia, and I wanted to support her shop. I want to support her. She's been very, very supportive of our channel, and I love reading her comments as well. You guys know how much Beth and I, we both really enjoy reading all of Monbebe's comments. And so we always like to have a conversation going on. So, so I really appreciate that. You know, we talk about Monster X because that's our favorite thing. Oh, look at this. Okay, see, look at this cute. This is her artwork, you guys. Look at Changkyun right here. Look how cute. And again, this is where you can find all the merch. Follow this handle on Instagram. Okay. And look how cute. This is super cute. Oh my gosh, look at the cute stickers. All right. So, oh. But anyways, oh, I see something purple. Purple's my favorite color too, by the way. So, Changkyun and I, we both are obsessed with purple. All right. Yes. Ah. Look how adorable. Okay, so there's two of them. One is for Beth and one is for me. And oh my gosh. Look at this cutie right here. Okay, I'm gonna put one to the side because it is Beth's. And I'm going and let's see Changkyun right here, okay? Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side really quickly because I want to show you guys Changkyun. Oh my gosh, this is so him. Look how adorable. Oh, so soft too. Oh my gosh, this is so him. Look how cute he is. Oh my goodness. And look at the details. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at his cute little heart stomach and his eyes. This is so him. His little tattoo right here. Oh my gosh. Look at this cute little paw with a little heart right here. This is so cute. I'm gonna put him with all my other stuff plushies so you'll see him in the reaction videos too. And look at this detail right here of his tattoo. Isn't that so freaking cool? Ugh. Pinks. This is so cute. Look at his cute little paws right here. Oh my gosh. I cannot get over how cute he is. So I do have to give this to Beth when I see her at KCON. And so this little guy is going to be with Beth the whole entire time in her purse. Look how adorable. Ugh. Oh my gosh. So cute. Okay, so that's our little Changkyun right there. Okay, guys. And then we have... Oh, okay, sorry. I cannot stop looking at this cute chunky doll. Okay, so then next, let's look at these. So this came with the doll as a pre-order, and I love how this says, "Your cutest keychain." So cute. Oh my gosh. So one of them is Beth's, so I'm gonna put that to the side. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is oh my gosh. Oh, so cute. Okay. Aw, look at her card. Your purchase made my day. Hope your package brightens yours. You made my day, please. Oh, this is so cute. Ah, thank you. I love this. I love this so much. Oh, look at the cute stickers. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love this so much. So cute. Oh my gosh. All right. And then oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys. So freaking adorable. Look at Changkyun. Oh my gosh. So adorable. I love this keychain. So cute. Oh, thank you so much for creating this. I'm going to put this front and center right here. Look how adorable. So freaking cute. Oh, so cute. Ah. Okay, I'm gonna leave him right here. Let's move on to the next. So, I also ordered some really fun stuff right here as well. And you may notice it because da-da-da. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be hilarious. Okay, you may notice this because these are actually currently on pre-order right now. Okay, so wow, what is happening here? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna put this down right now. Oh, Pinks. Okay, so Pinks wrote such a sweet note. Hi, thank you for always supporting my art account and my small business. And your channel is one of the best things on YouTube as a Monbebe. Oh, thank you. And thank you for accompanying me and rewatching MonstaZoo contents and making me laugh every time. Hope this gets to you safely. Oh, we love you so much, Pinks. Thank you for supporting us. And we love supporting our small businesses, and this is so much fun. Okay, so, oh wow, I don't know what to begin. Okay, so let's go here. All right, so I don't know where to begin. Wow, I'm so flustered from that letter. Thank you so much. It's so sweet. All right, so this is going to be the OT6 acrylic photo card holder. Okay, so I'm gonna open this. Oh, look how cute these are. Oh my goodness. And you are you are probably wondering why does she have so many of them? Actually, I know a couple mom babies, LA mom babies who were interested in them. And so, before purchasing this for just Beth and me, cuz you know, on Twitter you could see like a mutual ask like another mutual like, "Oh, even though they're not really following each other." I don't know. Anyways, you guys know what I mean. So I had remembered that, and so I had asked a few of them if they wanted these photo card holders, and that's why I have so many. So but this is MonstaZoo Volume 1. And I love that she made OT6 and OT7. These are so cute. Look at how she packages them. So adorable, right? Super adorable. Ah, look at this cute little band-aid here. Oh my gosh. I know it's all the same, but I just wanted to show you guys. Oh, so cute. Okay, so we are going to look at MonstaZoo Volume 1 first. And then we will look at Volume 2. So, hold on. I'm going to open this right now because I want to show you guys side by side. all of this goodness. So, oh my gosh, he's so cute. I cannot stop staring at him. Okay, so he's so cute. And this is MonstaZoo Volume 2, which I mentioned as of today, there is a US go for it, or you could just message her directly if you're interested in purchasing them. She does ship internationally. And so this is a MonstaZoo Volume 1. Oh, excuse me, Volume 2. So, ta-da, ta-da. And we'll have a closer look in a second. I'm going to leave Changkyun right there. So freaking cute. Okay, I'm going to clear the table really quickly. So that we could focus on these photo card holders. Okay. Okay, so I have my alt and my bias here, and they definitely want to be in these PC holders. Okay, so I am going to open MonstaZoo Volume 1. Oh, that's so cute. I don't even want to tear this band-aid. Why are you making me tear this band-aid? It's so cute. Oh man, so adorable. Oh yay, I'm not tearing it like a savage like I normally do. Okay, so look at this beauty right here. This is Volume 1. And I love I love the little details right here, the little star protruding right here, the flower. Ugh, so cute. Like this whole outline is just so darn adorable. And I love this right here. We all know what May 14th is. Last page. And I love this part right here. It's not like your standard square or rectangle. And I'm gonna put him in here. Okay. Here we go. So cute. Look how perfectly he fits in there. And I have to say, I am a very much so a stickler of when it comes to like cards showing off like, you know, on the side, but this fits Monsta X cards perfectly. Look how amazing he looks in here. Oh my gosh. Oh, Kiki's so he's so adorable. Like, stop. And I like this beaded chain too. Normally I'm not a fan of beaded chains, but this one is it was very easy to open and you know, and hook together. Ta-da! Yeah, I bought a PC holder before, and the beaded chain, I was like, oh my gosh, like it was just so hard to the word clipping it does not sound right. But anyways, and this is MonstaZoo Volume 2. And look how adorable. Ugh, so cute. So darn cute. And let's look here. Okay. I'm gonna put this to the side really quickly. And da-da-da-da. Here you go. Look how adorable. And again, look at the details, the stars right here. I love the rainbow, I like the clouds. Everything about this is super adorable. I love all the characters. Oh, stop it. Look, one help. So cute. I love it. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. And let's look at the back. Oh, and I love this big cloud right here. So cute. Ugh, so adorable. Oh my gosh. This is one of my favorite PC holders already. All right, let's put Wani in here. Oh, look at him. He's so cute. Oh, so adorable. Oh my goodness. This is so freaking cute. I cannot. Oh my goodness. See? And look how easily this went in. Ta-da! So these are the PC holders that we bought. So cute. So darn cute. Okay, so then that's that. And then there are more stuff. And let's open them. Okay, let's look at the MonstaX. This is so freaking hilarious. And if you guys don't recognize this, you guys gotta watch MonstaX Ray, okay? Oh my gosh, I love these stickers. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, stop. She's also selling these stickers in her shop, by the way. Oh my gosh, this makes me want to rewatch that MonstaX Ray episode again. Oh my gosh, look at the stickers. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the Shonu stickers. Okay. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look how cute. I love it. Oh my goodness. These are so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, Pinks. I love these stickers. They are so adorable. Ah, so cute. All right. And so those are the stickers. And then, oh my goodness, there's more stuff here. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm already laughing. Oh my gosh, this is so hysterical. Oh my gosh. Why is it so funny to me? Because it is. Oh my goodness. She's also selling these to you guys in her shop. I absolutely cannot. This is so funny. Okay, so I'm gonna open Kihyun. Oh my gosh, so I can show you guys this. This is so funny. Oh my gosh. This Oh my gosh, this just cracks me up when I see this. Look how cute this keychain is. Flexin'. Yes, MonstaX has become very, very beastly these days. I mean, my goodness. I don't know why I'm trying to put this back. I'm gonna use it. So, oh my gosh, these are so freaking cute. Oh, oh my gosh, this just is everything. I love it. I love it so much. So freaking cute. Oh my gosh. This totally looks like him. Changkyun. And of course, our Shonu bear right here. This is just so funny. I cannot. I cannot. Oh my gosh. Oh my freaking goodness. Oh my goodness. This is just so funny. I love your creativity, Pinks. This is so fun. I'm so glad that she decided to print this out in acrylic. This is just so funny. I love it. Oh my gosh. Nanyuk. This. Oh my gosh. So funny. Oh my goodness. I'm having so much fun right now, you guys. This is just so funny. Oh my goodness. I love it. This is Minya. Oh my gosh. Young one is just so funny. Our favorite turtle frog. His face is just so cute. I cannot. I cannot. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. So darn cute. Oh, and of course our Juhan right here. That is the pose that Juhan would totally do. So funny. This is so hysterical. I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh. Well, you guys, I'm gonna spread this out right here so you can see the stickers as well. Dun, da, da, da. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking adorable. You guys, please support Pink Code's shop. And again, you guys could enter in the US Go with Cookie Monsta. She is hosting. Thank you so much, Cookie Monster, for hosting. And yeah, this is all the fun stuff that I got from her shop. So you guys, please do not forget to support small businesses because look at this greatness right here. Look at this amazingness right here. Okay, so much fun. I love this. I'm gonna. Oh, but my goodness, this one though, so darn cute. I love him so much. I cannot with the details. Okay, anyways. You guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing video, which I hope you guys enjoy it. And once again, please support Pink's shop. And I just, oh my gosh, I'll be carrying these with me all the time. All the time. And you guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And my name is Tammy, and I am part of Molala. And I will see you guys next time. Annyeong!